is now called the borehole. The wall is now called the bulkhead. The door is now called the hatch. The stairs are now called ladder wheels, and the bathroom is now called the head. Now, from this point on, everything you do will be done with speed and attention. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
The only thing out of your mouth will be yes, sir, no, sir, and aye, sir. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
And when I tell you to, you're going to get up fast with speed and intensity, and you're going to go over there and get online. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Get up now. Get over there now. Faster now. Zero. Now that I got him up online, I see someone's moving slow. If he wants to move slow, I'll take two individuals. One individual, never mess it up, because if you mess up, that means you gotta come see me. So I'll take two of them. Now, first thing I'll do, I'll tell you to take your pocket right now.
Yes, sir.
You got 60 now, but 8% the pocket. What you want? 13 now, but 8% Good, get in your face right now.
Yes, sir.
Push right now.
Yes, sir.
Stop so hard right now.
Yes, sir.
Push right now.
Yes, sir.
Stop so hard right now.
Yes, sir.
Faster now.
Yes, sir.
Push right now.
Yes, sir.
Stop so hard right now.
Yes, sir.
Punches right now.
Yes, sir.
Stop so hard right now.
Yes, sir.
Push right now.
Yes, sir.
Walk all the time.
Yes, sir.
Stop so hard right now.
Yes, sir.
Push right now.
Yes, sir.
Stop so hard right now.
Yes, sir.
Push right now.
Yes, sir.
Stop so hard right now.
Yes, sir.
Push right now.
Yes, sir.
Walk hard now.
Yes, sir.
Zero.
Bring it out.
Get now.
Yes, sir.
Get all your trash and get away right now.
Yes, sir.
You got 30 now, 28, 27, 65, 20, 19, 26, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 6, 2, 1, 2, 3,
Yes, sir.